So here's a question. Why are so many systems wasting energy and driving up costs? The answer lies in something most people overlook: power factor correction. And trust me, once you understand it, you'll see why it's a game changer for electricians and businesses alike. But here's the twist. You need the right tools to fix it. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'll show you how to diagnose, analyze, and correct power factor problems like a pro. All right, let's break this down. Power factor measures how effectively your electrical power is being used. Imagine this. You're paying for a bucket of water, but only half of it makes it to your tap. The rest is wasted in leaks. That's what happens when your power factor is low. It's like paying for energy that's not doing any real work. But here's the catch. Most systems aren't even close to a perfect power factor. So how do you find out if yours is costing you money? That's where the right tool comes in. And we'll get to that in just a bit. Here's why power factor correction is critical. You're wasting money. A poor power factor leads to higher electricity bills. Your equipment is under stress. Reactive power causing overheating, inefficiencies, and wear and tear. Compliance matters. In commercial and industrial settings, you could face penalties for low power factor. But it's not just about saving money. It's about proving to your clients that you are the professional who can solve these problems. And that's where a tool like the Fluke Power Quality Analyzer can change the game. Still with me? Good. Because up next, I'll show you exactly how to use this tool to identify and fix these problems. Don't skip this. It's the part where things get real. All right, let's talk tools. The Fluke Power Quality Analyzer isn't just another meter. It's your personal diagnostic assistant. And here's how it works. Connect it to your system. It measures real power, reactive power, and apparent power in real time. Analyze the data. The built-in graphs and reports make it easy to identify low power factor or harmonic issues. Take corrective action. Once you know the issue, you can install capacitor banks, balance loads, or reduce harmonics. But what if your system has harmonics wreaking havoc? That's an even bigger challenge. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Harmonics are the silent killers of power quality. They distort your electrical waveform, leading to inefficiencies, equipment failure, and yes, even more wasted energy. Using the Fluke Analyzer, you can identify harmonics in seconds. It gives you total harmonic distortion, pinpointing exactly where the issues lie. So now you're thinking, this sounds great. How does power factor correction actually save money? Well, let's look at some real-world numbers. Let's wrap this up with some numbers. Correcting power factor in a typical commercial setup can save 10 to 15% on energy costs. For industrial systems, it's even more. Now imagine showing your clients these results. You're not just an electrician anymore, you're their trusted problem solver, the one who saves them money and keeps their system running efficiently. If you want to take your work to the next level, the Fluke Power Quality Analyzer is your ticket. Check the link below for more info, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow electricians.